Asemi edika ampa Commander 6 This mianam jinem na meje na me bom e magana rehye etie because baby a eka kwale de and that son ne bedwam on Adom TV yere betwe mpanifo adwen de sine ma bi ekoso a entwaye eho no matu anamon apimatare fefefe hyemi eye edmeku adaruma ena mesaka sa atare ohwa efe ese we bema pambi ne fashe there be am ka sem we chiro bema de always look good, smell nice, and near mam you know about the confidence aba bema mu ne kase pa se kasem de but always look good no matter I say force kura na hyewa si neto so e hye obi atim say yes abranti afa ne ho enye nyina na store we e hye ne bo da fam udi wakasa material kwa obepam e de amount level up the tailor or Medina Libya quarters e won kra ha ya ba bia audio wo bia fabre no pawase no apam ni wo yo ba pam bi fama okunu pam bi fama boy na won fili peni wakasa bi se utto entoma pama o yira to bi fefra friend 0542 413296 0542 413296 kache sa kwasisi ase bramenchen isas nubo wo fom ne nsa no so efe na da wona so matare fefe ya arpa me de age 9 eno am no hye komodie bi ase about Goro boys so kai ene yetwa so ye do ko wanim ene ye de wo ekọ wanim ene ni akoso ma empirical evidence about empenifu akasa num nsem a wo mo aka on how to deal with Goro boys. Ghana man peri His Excellency na Adom dan kwaku far me che ona no pai akra so ho ye enem sa wo bo anu biem February 2020 President Nana Adom dan kwaku fado edi DVL empenifu enim emo pa odwumade kese bi mu entoma Sabre man peninya akwanya no woni amanfo ekasa no ade bako no akasa bu recognize ye the activities of Goro boys or DVLA. Oh how ni akwasidie amane ya Goro boys the two amanfo a ekope driver's license license wo mankasa car what was sika akwakoto man peni na Adom dan kwaku fado in February 2022 3 years ago and recognizing the activities of Goro boys at DVLA. That was the time and DVLA so we call digitalization. I quite remember very well President Kufuor and some Kaya. Member some of team Nama Kenti. I will quote the president. Asem yanka sema penny be nenum ekanye on how they have dealt with Goro boys. And at that time, if my memory serves me right, President Kufuor declared and said, no more Goro boys following digitalization. We are equally relieved that DVLA offices are no longer the same place it used to be. And we can get a driving license with ease without going through Goro boys. President Adom dan kwaku fado February 2020. February 2020 when DVLA announces say they are going digital. Asemo ya mampeni ekano no more Goro boys. Mampeni with all due respect enra we a show me sheda tuka ekosi DVLA headquarters. Before I me 37 then. And I will see and I make us a to the beer. You so mama penny information no. I want for more. I want from because it looks as if map your president and with the reality on the ground. Any, we have eliminated, as of 2020, 3 years down the line, as of 2020, our president says, well, I say we are eliminating you. We have eliminated Goro boys. And I'm just catch you say digitalization here at the pa. Obi be catch you say enya the pa bia no on pe wiase nkanko. Especially on pe Ghana mpuntuo. But me say nipa and the so computer. The mentality of Ghanaian. The mentality of Ghanaian. Ayo how edimaye. Ayo how kese pa edimaye. So how did we eliminate Goro boys in 2020? And in 2023, they have even multiplied their numbers. Now what 2020? Me say I wish say e be one day me man penny disguise no ho. Now the man ko see DV the crown now okay say we have eliminated Goro boys no one for the ntwa de fa na so nti asem. Man penny will come to appreciate say sometimes information and the man no enye ni nyina na e no kore. E bika e de fans. E bika se na be ya wonim ba ye fe o man penny anim. Some of man penny crop for the man information. Some of them are not working. Goro boys di enya. Na nnu akwa na msati yesem awra okra eyese. When you say Goro boys, they were MPP Goro boys, they were NDC Goro boys. As a Goro boys, no NDC for no, they also went through NPP Goro boys. Sometimes, who pay be now Prime Minister na MPP also my mama boy be number na friend or Goro boy. Most of them are Goro boys. Oh, my boy, but sort it out. E two frega no ka say senior minister pa de ade we de ke ya and ke anyi 1000. This is also some of we are omafa so e de creating nyuma de ma wankasa nkrofo e na ekuye Ghana fo it nya digitalization e be yi Goro boys every wo enya no comedy ka to say digital ne de ye be yi computer ne ye koda e be dundum no nipa le bedum ye baso ye beso nipa le beso and ye wo NPP Goro boys be se ko DVL 37 ko he and ye wo NDC Goro boys because NPP wa abamut no NDC Goro boys no are working through NPP Goro boys na ba ko say o de me wadwuma wo nyama me no ye party beba wo bebre madwuma so be ya ma wa evra na esakra esre na ahomete na esre na esa ahomete MPP ni NDC are finding way to create a job opportunities for Monkrofo at the expense of the ordinary Ghanaian. It's a Ghana ni ehuna money. And you bet only 200 Ghana cedis no. Obefa Goro boys so could 2,000 Ghana cedis. Me se bes afi ba kun finhye me na bes na twem konie. Okofa Goro boys onya driver's license ma wa. Obeju bes 1,500 Ghana cedis and then nam 2,000. A day driver's license they saying. Driver's license you say. And you funny pabani for would deflect me to motor cromfo. And I'm sharp by you, and one Bogana chrono, one Bogana form. Ya near Baba Canisa, we have eliminated Yemleti, Company, eliminated. The pebble mother information, Ibiano, and your false information, President Gufado. So, what catch us said digitalization is eliminating Goro boys from DVLA and your drop. They lied to you, Mr. President. They lied. Whoever gave you that statement lied or you're a liar. Simon Penny, I wish that one day, just disguise yourself. Now we are katabai, best at 2 o'clock now. A whole of us son for any question for a son, a TSM. But did you have questions here? Person, but also. Senior me. Ame akanifo a ebedwenye ho na nyu wankasa botom asemi edika